Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to see how to change a cabin air filter on a 2005 to 2010 Honda Odyssey second generation. So the cabin air filter is right behind the glove box, and if your car is starting to smell a little bit moldy feeling or something like that, chances are your cabin air filter needs replacement. Let's see how to do that. So behind the glove box is the cabin air filter. First, take everything out of the glove box because we need to completely tilt the glove box so to access the filter behind it. Then, if you come here, there are two tabs like this one and one on this side, right? So those need to be removed. The way to remove that is use a flathead screwdriver like this one and gently pry from the back. And you'll be able to just gently pry it out, and there will be a little rubber wheel behind it. All you have to do is remove that. So it's all automatically coming out. Let me pull that off. There you go. So all it is this particular thing need to be removed out of there. It goes in like that and it clicks right here to prevent it from dropping. So just wiggle it out just like that. Do the same on this side. If you notice, pry it out and wiggle it out of there. So now the catch is completely gone, and you can take this and drop it down. One thing I did notice is that one other thing I forgot to mention is that this little retainer or damper is usually attached. In this case it wasn't. Let me attach it back and show you. Right there, see how it's attached? That slows down the process of the glove box coming down. You need to detach that first, just like that, pull it out, and then your whole glove box will drop down. Now we have full access to the air filter behind this housing, and as you can see, it clearly shows airflow top to bottom. Perfect on Honda. In some cars they would list the plastic differently and the filter direction differently, but this is perfect. It shows airflow top to bottom. Remember that when putting the filter back in. So all we have to do is squeeze and open. Squeeze both sides. It should come right off. Basically need two hands. I'm trying to do it with one. Squeeze both sides and the cabin air filter comes right off, and as you can see, it is very dirty. So we're going to replace this now. Let me see how dirty it is. You can take it out of the housing here and basically see how much debris it caught. Wow. So this hasn't been changed in a while. We're going to change this and put a completely new nice filter in here. Today I'm using a different brand than what I normally use. This is a Puroma from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. It actually looks pretty good. It is the carbon filter, which means it's got activated carbon in it, and that helps in absorbing odor and all sorts of good stuff, neutralizing chemicals and all that. So it's usually black looking because of the carbon. It's heavy actually, and it's pretty well made, I normally get other brands, and as you can see, airflow is clearly indicated here. Like I said, top to bottom is the way we want it to go. So put it in that direction. Let's see the fitment. I think it goes this way. Yes, perfect. Look how nice. It's actually pretty heavy. Perfect fit right there. All we have to do is match that airflow and slide it right in. Once it's in, we click both sides, and that is it. We changed the cabin air filter. Now all we have to do is put the glove box back in its place. And how do we do this? It's a little tricky with one hand, but I will do my best to fit it back. So we put the damper in first so that it catches. So I have to put these two different see, as you can see, I have these two. So we just have to put this and click it. So let's do that. Wiggle it so that it goes in. catches. There you go. Oops. Okay, needed 2 hands to do that. The key is to make sure you move the glove box closer up like that so that it passes the catch point, and then you can put this in easier. We'll do the same. I will move this further, and then you insert this and wiggle your way out and click. There you go, that's it. And that will prevent it from coming further down. The rubber acts like a nice cushion, and these dampers slow it down. And let's look at the operation a couple of times, and that's all we need to do. Put everything back in there and you are done. And that is how you would change a cabin air filter on a 2005 to 2010 second generation Honda Odyssey. And I can bet that this is the same procedure for Honda Pilot and other Honda vehicles as well. So hopefully that was useful. I will put the link of that particular this particular cabin air filter in the description. Make sure you click that and buy it, as well as I'll put other options as well, better filters with I think one comes with even baking soda in it. If you have like dogs or something in the car, that may be helpful as well. All right, so that's all I have for you today. Please subscribe if you like the video, hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video.